We have made it!
The rest is history, as they say, and Kuala Lumpur was formed.
Way out of the budget range.
After arriving into Kuala Lumpur yesterday and going to the night market for food last night, today we wanted to go and explore the city a little bit more. We weren't sure the best way to go about doing that, so we decided to book a walking tour with Guru Walks. So we're just heading now to go and meet up with our guru and head for the walk.
Walking tour. It's hot.
This is the first ever walking tour we've done, so it'll be interesting to see how good it is, and maybe it'll be something we'll do regularly as we travel around the world.
I think it will be.
Hopefully it is, and hopefully it will be regular, because it is free, although you are expected to give a tip to the guide, so we'll give him a tip of whatever we think he deserves for the tour. But yeah, sounds nice and budget friendly, and a good way to see the city and maybe even learn a bit more about it. Okay, we have arrived at our station, just need to find the meeting point now. I think it's pretty close. It's an ancestral Chinese clan house that we're starting our tour at. Going to be interesting. This right here is where we're going to be starting our tour from, and right in the background, like you can see there, is actually the world's second tallest building. I'm unsure what it's called, I will find out, but it's pretty cool. First stop on the tour is our meeting point, which is a Chinese clan house. So it looks to be like a meeting point for, I guess, a Chinese clan of some description. Unsure how it works, but maybe we'll find out. But the building is pretty impressive as it is, and there's a lot of people going about. So we have just learned everything about this Chinese ancestral home, which is the poor Chinese people came here. Kuala Lumpur was actually nothing. There was nothing here but jungle 200 years ago, and then the Chinese came up the river. Kuala Lumpur actually means dirty river. They came up the river and found a tin mine here, and then the rest is history, as they say, and Kuala Lumpur was formed.
Okay, this was a very busy area those days.
So that building we've just seen there was initially built as a Sikh temple, and then the Chinese decided, well actually I think the British decided that the Sikhs were the most honest people going, so they used them as police officers, and the Sikh temple turned into a police station. That there is the oldest television set in Kuala Lumpur. A bit random, but interesting nonetheless. It's now time to go into a Hindu temple, so we need to cover our legs and take our shoes off. Here in Chinatown, we've been learning a lot about obviously the Chinese influence here, also like just seen there the Hindu and the Sikh influence, and also pretty much the history of Kuala Lumpur and how it came about and how it became a thing, and then how it grew into what it was today. So this is the kind of things that on a walking tour you learn that you just wouldn't be able to find out by yourself. So this is the River of Life in Kuala Lumpur.
Already? 1, 2.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, rasa sayang, rasa sayang, rasa sayang, sayang, rasa sayang, rasa sayang, sayang. Welcome you all to Malaysia.
It is the dirty river, so the mist is there to cover the dirt and make it look more beautiful. Although from this view, you get the dirtiness before the mist, so kind of defeats the point.
It's not really working, is it?
It is just 5 days' time, if I'm not mistaken. The 31st of August is Independence Day in Malaysia, so there's a lot of stuff clearly already been set up for Independence Day celebrations. This road's been closed, there's a stage set up, all the big buildings have massive Malaysian flags on them, ready to celebrate their independence in a few days' time. So that podium there with Kuala Lumpur 0 written on it is the absolute town centre of Kuala Lumpur. That is the centre 0 point of the city, and the flagpole just behind it is the Malaysian flag and the centre of Malaysia's capital city. We are now getting the underground metro from here at the River of Life over to the Petronas Twin Towers. It'll be our first time seeing them up close.
Very crowded. Okay. So I hope you can pay me good tip. This is 10 euro, right? Thank you.
That is the end of our walking tour here in Kuala Lumpur. We've seen a lot and learned a lot that we wouldn't otherwise have done, so it was good. And we tipped 50 ringgit, which I think is about £9 for the two of us, so totally worth it. And we had a great time. Now we are going to see the Twin Towers and then probably go back to the same night market as last night to get our food.
So we came out of the metro station to a shopping centre that is amazing. It's like at least maybe 4 or 5 stories high, but way out of the budget range. It's very bougie.
For food also, definitely going to be, maybe not out the budget, but a pointless waste of the budget. So we're going back to the market.
When the market's so good, what is the point in spending money here? No point.
There's no point, so we're going to the market.
We got on the metro and it was full daylight, and we were not on there for long. The nightlife has come alive. We have made it to the towers.
Yes, that is the end of our video here in Kuala Lumpur. Tomorrow we'll be exploring more of the city, so make sure to stay tuned for that one.